Hi there, this is Pedro from Investing in the Web. In this video, I will help you invest in the S&P 500 on the Revolut app. So the first thing that you need to do is to actually pick an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. So on Revolut, you will have access to dozens of different S&P 500 ETFs, and you need to choose one to invest in. In this table, you can see the 4 biggest S&P 500 ETFs available on the Revolut app by their fund size, so by the amount of money that people have invested in these funds. Any of these are suitable, but out of these 4, I think that the Vanguard Accumulating ETF is interesting to explore, since this is an accumulating ETF. This means that the dividends are reinvested inside of the ETF, which might be beneficial for tax reasons in some countries, since generally dividends pay taxes. So now let's show you directly on the Revolut trading app how this works. So if you are in your homepage, you need to come to Invest and click Trade. Then just search for the S&P 500 and you will find, as I said, dozens of different ETFs to choose from. The one that we will be using in this example is the Vanguard S&P 500 Accumulating ETF. You just click on it, and here you have all the information about the fund. If you are decided and you want to buy it, you just need to click Buy and then put the order details. In this case, you should choose the order type, market order should be fine, and also the amount of money that you want to invest. So I will just be putting 10 euros as an example. I already invested before, so you can check out in the article. And that's it. After you click Invest, you can see your order details as we did here. So you can see the price that you paid, the fees, which in this case was 0 fees, and other details about your purchase. After this, you are officially an S&P 500 investor, so that's it basically. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to drop them in the comments below. We are happy to help. And also, if you want to know more details or read more about which ETF you should choose, the fees charged on Revolut, feel free to check the article on Investing in the Web.